deeply engaged in logistics, storage expert. With the deepening and rapid development of the trend of international economic integration, logistics costs and efficiency, as the core link of commodity storage and circulation, are increasingly valued by all walks of life. In order to make the huge profit hidden under the tip of the iceberg of comprehensive logistics costs, the construction of storage and logistics center systems and the automation and intelligence of logistics come into being. Haili, an expert in the field of material storage. Corporate glory, industry benchmark. Guangdong Haili Storage Technology Company Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Guangdong Haili Storage Equipment Company Limited. The head office was established in 1999. It is currently a leading domestic manufacturer of high-level automated vertical warehouse racks and high-density racks dedicated to the research and development, design, production, sales, installation, training, and consulting services of modern intelligent logistics equipment technology. After nearly 3 decades of improvement and development, Haili has now become a famous rack brand in Guangdong Province, a national high-tech enterprises and a specialized, sophisticated, differentiated, innovative enterprise. The company has more than 100 patents and inventions in logistics technology. Haili is one of the drafting units of more than 30 national and industry standards for the warehouse rack industry. Focus on manufacturing technological innovation. The company adheres to the corporate direction of focusing on manufacturing and technological innovation and strives to become a world-class equipment manufacturer of warehouse storage and logistics. The factory has more than 50 continuous punching and rolling production lines, including automated high-bay warehouse racks and high-density racks, advanced accumulation-free electrostatic powder coating production lines, fully intelligent automatic laser cutting machines, automatic welding robots, etc. The factory covers an area of nearly 100,000 square meters. Annual production capacity is over 100,000 tons. All products are designed strictly in accordance with the standards of the Finite Element Analysis Software (FEA), a professional analysis and calculation system customized by the Logistics Research Institute of Beijing University of Science and Technology. This software calculates the overall strength, rigidity, and stability of the storage system, ensuring that every material used in the storage system meets safety regulations and that the design of product specifications and models is reasonable and accurate. Keep improving successful delivery. The company is based in Dongguan and Chongqing, the golden treasure land of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. It adheres to the corporate purpose of keep improving successful delivery and always give priority to the product quality and service. In the process of development, Haili has established a strong technical, engineering, installation and service team to ensure that every project is safe and reliable, and the product precision has reached the international advanced level. The company has accumulated more than 20,000 well-known clients in various industries at home and abroad, including more than 500 automated high-bay ASRS with successful delivery. Haili is the long-term partner of many famous companies, such as Huawei, BYD, CRRC, Walmart, China Tobacco, BASF, Maersk, JD.com, etc. Embrace all rivers, win-win cooperation. As a benchmark enterprise in logistics equipment, Haili embraces all possibilities and works together to provide customers and integrators with supporting services for warehousing equipment. We welcome customers and integrators to visit us for mutual benefit and a win-win cooperation.